in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson Expression XP-15000 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for Epson Expression XP-15000 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson XP-15000. Go ahead and open that up. And now scrolling down, you want to expand the operating system dropdown and select your appropriate version of Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. And then you want to select Go. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the driver and utility combo package installer and the corresponding download button. And then once it's on your system, just go ahead and open up that file to run it. It should be a signed verified publisher. Select yes to proceed. And then you can close out of the web browser. And this file should contain everything you need to use your Epson XP-15000 printer. Click OK to continue. Then just proceed with the installer here, selecting wired or wireless printing preferences, as well as optional features you may want to install. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.